Today I'm going to be sharing an easy way to use line art on a card design. Hi, it's Therese from Lostinpaper, and today I decided to actually share a card that came together really quickly. It's using some Ellen Hutson products, and these are always so fun to work with. But if you know me, you know that I love to colour, and it's really difficult for me not to colour something in. So that's what I thought I'd share with you today, how dramatic using line art on a card can be. I'm starting with painted stripes stamp set and creating my own background with some Catherine Pooler. It's a stone blue ink. Now I'm stamping out the widest stripe. These painted stripes are really fun, and I can use the grid lines on my stamp press to actually make sure I get a fairly even impression. It's a big stamp, so I did find it looked a little bit splotchy, but I didn't mind the final look. It worked well. Now I've got my mini Misty here. I bought one. It's for you. I bought it for you so that I can show it on my videos. That's how I justified it. Plus I needed to. I don't really need to, but I like to. Anyway, focus. I have the Mondo Sakura flower. This is actually a beautiful bunch of flowers, and I'm actually stamping it directly on the front of my card. I have my card actually pushed up in the top left corner because it is quite a large stamp. I could have used my large Fiscus stamp press. No, it's not that. My large Misty, but I wanted to use my new one. Don't tell anybody. Anyway, to make sure that my image is lined up perfectly, I've added a bit of tape to the back of my panel. This is the blue panel that I stamped before. I have cut it down just so it's smaller than the actual card front, because I want the floral image to look like it's kind of flowing over the edge. And that's, I think, just takes this card to kind of the next level with line art, because line art, there is no colouring. It's just actually stamping out an image and leaving it uncoloured, and you're using the image itself to get that dramatic kind of look. So it's the small details that make all the difference, like just seeing those bits of flower off the edge of the base of the card. I really like that. Now before I popped up my panel, I did add the word you. This is from the Mondo Sakura stamp set, and then I have die cut the word beautiful, which is from the coordinating dies that go with that set. There's a couple of words in there, and they are beautiful. The font is really, really pretty, and I'm adhering that directly to the card front with some of the matte medium. And these are the clear droplets from Ellen Hutson, and I love that they come in all different sizes, and they're all in one packet, and they're very affordable, and they last a very long time, although I do like to hoard them. I just thought that they brought out a really nice kind of extra something on the card. And another idea that I had to make this line art pop was to use the coordinating die to actually recess the flower image on the panel or set it higher. So if you like this video, please like it, and if you haven't already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you back here again real soon. Till then, happy paper crafting. Bye.